Did you know your car is hiding life-saving features and money-saving tricks you've probably never used? In fact, studies show that over 70% of drivers never discover half the features built into their own cars. Features that can boost safety, save thousands in repairs, and even keep you from getting stranded. And here's the shocking part. Some of these features are so powerful that automakers don't even highlight them in the manual. They're buried, forgotten, or completely overlooked. But once you know them, you'll never look at your car the same way again. Stick with me until the end, because the final secret feature could prevent a $5,000 breakdown, and almost no driver uses it. 1. Hidden fuel cap holder. Ever refueled and just let your gas cap dangle? That tiny mistake scratches paint, lets dirt into your fuel system, and in rare cases even triggers a check engine light. But here's the secret. Most cars have a built-in fuel cap holder right on the inside of the fuel door. Simply hook the cap there and avoid damage. It's one of those "why didn't I know this sooner" features that mechanics quietly smile about, because drivers ignoring it pay for injector cleanings later. 2. Key fob, hidden mechanical key. Think a dead key fob battery means you're stranded. Not so fast. Nearly every modern key fob hides a mechanical backup key inside. Look for a small switch or button, slide it, and out pops a metal key. And here's the kicker. On most cars, there's a hidden keyhole under the door handle cap. Pop it open, and you can unlock your car even if the fob is totally dead. Experts from AAA report that this trick alone saves thousands of drivers from unnecessary towing each year. 3. Aero fuel tank indicator. Have you ever rented a car and had no clue which side the gas tank is on? You don't need to get out and check. Look at your fuel gauge. The tiny fuel pump icon has a small arrow pointing left or right. That arrow tells you exactly where your fuel cap is. No more awkward U-turns at the pump. Over 60% of drivers admit they never noticed this arrow until it was pointed out. 4. Hidden defrost and side mirrors. Cold morning. Can't see out of your side mirrors. Many cars have hidden heated side mirrors built right in. The trick is knowing how to turn them on. On most cars, simply switch the rear defrost button, and it also activates the side mirror heaters. This prevents scraping damage, improves visibility instantly, and keeps you safe on icy mornings. Mechanics say foggy mirrors are a huge cause of accidents, so this hidden feature could literally save your life. 5. Transmission reset trick. Here's a feature automakers don't advertise because it saves you a trip to the shop. If your automatic transmission is shifting rough, many cars allow a simple reset sequence using your ignition and gas pedal. For example, in many models, turn the key to on but don't start the engine. Press the gas pedal all the way down for 15 seconds. Release, then start the car. This forces the transmission control module to relearn your driving patterns. In many cases, it smooths out gear changes instantly, without the $200 diagnostic fee at the dealership. 6. Emergency fuel door release. Imagine running out of gas at night, but your fuel door won't open because the actuator jammed. Most cars actually have a manual release cable hidden inside the trunk, near the filler area. Pull it, and the fuel door pops open. Dealers rarely mention this, but it's in the design to prevent tow truck calls. Knowing this one feature can save you from a stranded nightmare. 7. DIY fog-free windshield hack. Ever get fog on the inside of your windshield? Here's a built-in hack. Use your car's air conditioning button in combination with defrost mode. Even in winter, turning on the AC removes humidity from the air, clearing fog faster than heat alone. Bonus tip. Some drivers rub a thin layer of shaving cream on the inside of the glass and wipe it off. It leaves an anti-fog film. Formula One drivers have been using this trick for decades. 8. Tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. Most people think that yellow tire light is just low air, but modern TPMS often shows you individual tire pressures on the dash. Many newer cars let you reset the system manually after filling up, usually through the infotainment menu or a hidden button near the steering column. Here's why it matters. Underinflated tires reduce fuel economy by up to 10% and increase blowout risk. By actually checking the readout, you can catch a slow leak before it becomes a $300 roadside rescue. 9. Steering wheel raised dots. Secret. Ever notice two tiny bumps on your steering wheel? They're not decorative. They mark the 9 and 3 o'clock hand positions, the safest place for your hands during a crash. In fact, safety experts say airbag injuries are far less severe when drivers hold at 9 and 3 instead of 10 and 2. This tiny hidden feature is actually a life-saving safety marker right under your fingertips. 10. Sunglasses. Holder. That's not for sunglasses. That overhead sunglasses holder. Believe it or not, many automakers actually designed it as a garage door opener compartment. Some even have special slots for toll passes or valet keys. Mechanics love pointing this out because most drivers jam oversized sunglasses in there and wonder why the hinge breaks. Use it correctly, and you preserve a neat little feature you didn't even realize existed. And we're only halfway through. Some of the next secrets include a feature that lets you start your car even with a dead key fob, a hidden safety override for the fuel pump shutoff, and the secret button that can reset your entire car's electronics without a mechanic. You don't want to miss these. 11. Dead key fob. Push start backup trick. Most drivers panic when their push-button start car refuses to recognize the key fob. They assume it's game over, but here's the hidden feature. Every push-start car has a passive RFID backup system. Even with a dead fob battery, just hold the fob directly against the start button, or in some cars, a special slot near the steering column. The car will still recognize it and start. AAA mechanics say this trick prevents hundreds of unnecessary tow calls every single month. 12. Fuel pump shutoff reset. Inertia switch. Here's one manufacturer almost never explain. After even a minor bump, many cars automatically cut power to the fuel pump using something called an inertia switch. It's a safety feature to prevent fire after a crash. The problem: a simple pothole or hard door slam can trigger it too. Result: your car cranks but won't start. Hidden in the trunk or passenger footwell is a manual reset button. Press it, and your car fires right up. Ford, GM, and even some Toyotas have this feature. Knowing about it can save you from a $200 tow to the shop for nothing nightmare. 13. Emergency trunk release. Every modern car has a glow-in-the-dark pull handle inside the trunk. It's not just a safety law. It's a feature that's literally saved lives in kidnappings, accidents, and lock-ins. Kids trapped in trunks have survived thanks to this. If you've never shown your family where it is, do it today. Mechanics and safety experts insist it's one of the most overlooked safety features ever. 14. Maintenance mode on hybrids. Hybrid drivers, listen up. Ever try to change oil on a Toyota Prius or Lexus hybrid, and the engine keeps shutting off? That's because the system is designed to save fuel. But here's the hidden feature. There's a maintenance mode sequence that forces the engine to stay running. For Toyota/Lexus hybrids, it's usually press the start button twice without the brake. Press the gas twice. Press the brake, then the start button. Press the gas twice more. The dash will say maintenance mode, and now the engine idles continuously. This secret isn't even in some manuals, but Toyota techs use it daily. 15. Hidden full system reset. This is the one mechanics really don't want you to know. Many cars have a built-in reset that clears electronic glitches without a scan tool. Method 1. Disconnect the negative battery cable for 15 minutes. That drains residual power and resets most systems. Method 2. For newer cars. Press and hold the power button on your infotainment system for 15 seconds. This performs a hard reboot of the electronics, fixing frozen touchscreens, Bluetooth issues, and random warning lights. Some makes even have secret button combos like holding defrost and recirculate together to reset climate control. It's basically Control plus Alt plus Delete for your car. Now here's the crazy part. These 15 features are just scratching the surface. Automakers pack cars with hidden tricks every year. Some are safety lifesavers, others prevent wallet-draining repairs. But I want to hear from you. Which of these secrets blew your mind? Have you ever used one of these tricks in an emergency? Drop your story in the comments. I'll feature the best ones in a future video. And remember, sometimes the most valuable features aren't the flashy ones. They're the quiet lifesavers hiding right under your nose. That's it. The 15 secret car features no one knows about. But here's the kicker. Most drivers also have daily habits destroying their car without realizing it. In the next video, I'll show you 13 deadly driving mistakes that kill your engine and cost thousands. Don't miss it.